Amazon shut down your PPC campaigns, I'll show you how to get them up and running again. So when they shut it down, usually what happens is you log into Amazon. Sometimes it doesn't even show any notification. You have to actually check and try to add your product to a campaign, a new campaign. It'll say ineligible. That's when you know it's officially shut down and your ads are suspended for that product. Now, to get it up, it is a little bit difficult at times, right? But what you want to do is you want to make sure we can get it eligible again. Now, to test it, you're going to add your product back into a new campaign. And if it says eligible, that means it's unsuspended. To get it unsuspended, make sure you contact Amazon Ads support. That's going to be your first step. So when you log into Amazon Ads, right, you're going to go all the way to the right. You're going to click this little question mark button, scroll down, and then click contact us. And you're going to say, hey, my ads are suspended. Send them the photo that I just showed you of your ads. Now you can't add it to a new campaign. And then tell them to reinstate it. Sometimes they auto reinstate it right away. Sometimes it needs manual review by an actual rep, and you have to chat with a rep. Either way, it's good to just contact them and see if they give you a hint on why it's like not eligible. And maybe they'll say, oh, it's your title, change your title. Sometimes they'll do that. As you know, most reps aren't very good at Amazon. So if they say, hey, your listing, it will never be eligible, you're not eligible at all, they're just lying. That means you need to clean your listing. So here's an example of a listing that you can clean. So if we go here, right, and we go to all these listings, we can see a massage device, right? And what happens is some people use this like manipulation so they can sell different types of products that are actually like this one is pretty much actually this one right here. It's like actually a sex toy. Okay. But they're selling it as a personal massage wand, and they're getting tons of sales like this because they were able to get away with Amazon's policies and get around it, right? In an ethical, pretty much actually an ethical way. So it's not like they're going to get kicked off for doing that. So pretty much what they needed to do and what they did is they cleaned their listing. And that's what you probably have to do. Look at your images, make it very, very clean. So clean all of your images, aka potentially delete all of your images off your listing and just have one main image like this one. You're also going to clean your title and just make it short and sweet, right? So that's what, and your bullet points, your description, your A+ content. Once you contact Amazon again, it's going to usually automatically reinstate your Amazon ads, right? Or you'll contact them, but you have to fully clean your listing in order to do that. You can't just half-ass it, unfortunately, right? Make sure everything's changed, just like they did for this. It's all cleaned, and then they were eligible for Amazon ads again. Once it's reinstated, you're going to slowly take your time updating the listing, right? I recommend you use competitors that are already sponsored as a reference of what you can say and what you can't. So you can see, oh, they're already sponsored. Oh, these are the keywords I can use. Oh, this is what it's supposed to look like. The first images, the second images. So try to base it off of theirs, but you really want to change it slowly, baby steps. So just change the title. Wait 3 days and see if it's still eligible for ads. If it's not, then you know that there's a keyword in the title that caused your ads to get shut down. So you have to figure out what caused it, right? There was one keyword in our client's listing. It was just the title. There was one keyword that caused the error of their listing getting shut down for ads every single time. So once we found out, we were able to make sure his keywords don't have that, and he was good to go. He was able to have that keyword in his images, but not in his title. So, and in his bullet points, it just wasn't the title. So you're going to figure it out, what caused it, and take baby steps to change it back. And then just keep looking, can I add a new campaign? Can I add a new campaign? Right? So that's going to ensure long-term approval of ads. And you can see once you clean your listing, right, and you contact Amazon, you can say, oh, here it is. You know, here's my affected ASIN. And we're kind of scrolling down for a second. Let's see. It's not actually showing it. But pretty much what this says is they automatically reinstated the listing once we cleaned it. Yes, I confirm ASIN is eligible for sponsored products. It took around 5 minutes. So we cleaned the listing, waited 5 minutes, and it wasn't even showing on Amazon, but they automatically reinstated the sponsored products advertising. So sometimes cleaning your listing is all you need to do. It is a pain because nobody wants to clean their listing. And then you have to like figure out what caused it to occur. Usually it's the title, usually it's the first image, just being completely honest. So definitely check those out. And that's how you are going to get reinstated for Amazon PPC. If you do need help, we do specialize in reinstatement for Amazon PPC and everything Amazon. If you did learn something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving great content and strategies in our videos. And if you do need help with Amazon, anything mentioned in this video, or just increasing sales, contact EHP Consulting Group. There's a link right in the description to contact us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.
See you